place to dig, plant, and rest. Shelly's Homestead Hideaway.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Shelly's Homestead Hideaway. I am home from vacation and I am about to take a look and see what the hydroponics is looking like. Like, I am literally going to show you guys as I look at it for the first time because I haven't looked over at it good yet. All right. Here we go. Oh my goodness, I see some dried up leaves over there. I see that. Let me start over here first and foremost. Okay, y'all, look at this. I have got to take care of this today. Y'all see these leaves is drying up because I know this is root bound. I know it is. Because look how tall. It's gotten taller. So it's still got some healthy leaves on it, but it needs to be potted. My kohlrabi, they don't look much bigger. Water level is good. Sun did good on that. And then as you can see, the amaranth spinach is still doing its thing. This one back here is so big, y'all. It's so big, and the light needs to come up some more. Let me see. There we go. I gave it some more space. Get this back upright. Okay, now we're gonna come over here to unit number 1, Miss Jacqueline, which has the what is this? The red sail? No, this is the which lettuce was this? The outrageous? I can't even. Oh yeah, this is the red sails, but I feel like it has not produced much since I've been gone. I think it's basically bolting and ready to come out. What in the world happened to? Okay, this was. Oh, I see. It has come down into here. Let me put that out there like that. So we've got another cucumber here. We got some dried up leaves that need to come off. I'm going to probably take these off tonight, and hopefully the other ones will start doing what they need to do. But I think this lettuce is on its last legs. So I'll probably be harvesting that and then getting rid of it. Okay, this unit down here. The light is not even on, so let me get that turned on. These are the flowers. Oh, this has come up nicely. This is Black-Eyed Susan. This is the only one of the 3 that survived. I will be up potting this for sure soon, as is all of this. I think this is Shasta Daisy, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's what I planted in here. All of this is going to get up potted. My son does not know, and I didn't tell him to turn on the extra light. So this, oh wow, he really, did y'all see the water? He really saturated this pretty good. So I'm not mad about that. Is happy. This right here is definitely gone kaput. It's going to come up out of here. That's going to come up out of there. And then this has definitely put on some nice growth in the week that I've been gone. The red outrageous lettuce and the, is that romaine? And the basil. All of those have done nicely while I was gone. And now this right here are the seedlings that were started. And I'll do a full update on this. But oh my goodness, these are definitely needing to be up potted. We're just gonna go ahead and take some of these caps off. I didn't tell my son about doing any of that, so we're just gonna do it now. That one down there finally has a little growth to it. Let me see, y'all can see. Oh, and look, I think that's basil back there. Okay, some of this stuff is not coming up at all. I should save this for my other video. Yep. All right, I definitely got to get some of that stuff out of there. It's growing very fast. So I am happy that things survive thanks to my son. And definitely these seedlings need to be up potted. And we've got cucumbers that are going to be coming off. We've got some that are still growing. And the lettuce down there, I think it is done. That's going to come out, and I'll reseed some lettuce. And then of course we're going to up pot this hibiscus ASAP and harvest the amaranth spinach. So super happy to be back home to check on the plants, and I got some work to do. Y'all. So having the hydroponics, going on vacation is definitely something you have to think about. I do have plans for. Oh, look at that! He didn't even put the. Hopefully, it didn't get lost. My son didn't put the water cap back on. I'm not sure where the water level is, but I'll check it. But he looks like he put the water cap on. Uh-oh. No, I don't know where the water... Uh-oh. One of those don't have a cap on it, and I think that was on me. Anywho, it is good to be back home taking care of my plants. These kohlrabi leaves dying. And yeah, oh, he got plenty of water right there. I ain't mad at son. Team Sam, as y'all say, he did good. So this is my update for my hydroponics while on vacation. See you all soon.